Hello guys, in this video I will actually show you a website which supports different AI models. It actually provides you with an API key to all the basic 100 plus AI models. As you see that the website name is APIPod.ai. So if you directly search this on Google, it's a really good website. I'm trying it out for past 3 weeks. Once you search it on Google API Pod, the very first website which comes. So this provides you within one API, and you can access up to 100 plus AI models such as Quen, Chat GPT, Quen 3, Claude, GPT, Gemini, Sora, image, video generation, coding generation models. So the actual landing page looks something like this. You can see 10 million daily request developers are doing it. So it's a fairly new website, but you can see it has Nano Banana as well, image generation model, Google View as well, Claude Opus 4.7, GPT image to Grok. Also, it has Sedence 2, Van, Sora 2. So it gives you this API key, which you can actually, it also gives this example as well. So here you simply replace your own API key. This is actually the base URL, and you can instantly make API request. So now to get started, you simply click on start for free, and you can actually continue with your Google account. Simply click on that and simply log in with your Google account. And once you sign up, it simply gives you the API key. So now you will see the login is successful, and you get instantly this free quota as well. So you get this 10 cents whenever you sign up. So it's a really good thing because it gives you this free credits that you can spend, and you can even click the top up button as well to actually add additional charges as well. So here you simply type how much amount you want to add, then you click on proceed to Stripe checkout. You can even use Alipay as well, like this. So it's really good website where you can recharge. Now it directly shows you how many requests you have made, how much total cost, success rate, everything is shown right here. And now we see the actual models. So a total of 82 models are there. You will see Alibaba, Anthropic, ByteDance. You will see that. And different categories are also there. So text to image, text to video, image to image, music, audio, TTS, LM, text, LLM text. So these are all the models. You can individually click on any model, simply copy the name as well. So the rates are actually mentioned right here. How much is the request will be charged per request. So it's input output tokens. You will see that. So it's a really good way by if you can directly use all the models in a single place. Now we come to the API key section. If you want to create the API key, and you simply click on this button, create API key, and once you click on that, just give it a name. You click on create key, and then the API key will be created successfully, and it actually simply copy the key to clipboard, and right here it's simply OpenAI compatible, Anthropic compatible as well. So you can see that. After that, if you want to, so this is your billing right here. Here all the billing will show. You can actually, as you see, welcome bonus, it gives you this 0.010 dollars. You can even recharge as well by clicking the recharge button as well. So now to actually make the request, it's very simple. You click to the overview section. So inside the usage section, you can see that. So you can directly use this model. What you can do, you can install extension in VS Code, which directly allows you to do this. Either you can use Roo Code or Clean. Both these extensions are compatible. Roo Code is quite easy. Once you install this, it will be the right here, and you can integrate this by going to settings And right here in the API provider, you simply type this OpenAI compatible, simply select this. And right here in the base URL, first of all, just paste your API key. And inside is this, simply copy the base URL and simply paste it. So as you see, we pasted this base URL. We also pasted the API key as well. And then you simply select any of the models. So all the models will directly show from here: Claude, Sonnet, Gemini, GPT. All these models will show, and directly select any kind of model. We selected Claude Opus and click on save. After you done that, you just type a message hi. As soon as you type the message, it will directly respond to you. So you can see that it is making this request to that. So now you will see that it is actually making this request. Hi, I will list the files in the current workings directory. So what I will do, I will simply say, just make a, let me delete everything from here and create a simple application for you. And I will simply make a free request. So inside this Roo Code, I will say build a image to PDF web app in browser, create index.html file and write all the code in that. So I simply make the request. As you see, we are using the model, so it will create now this index.html file, and instantly you will see that. So in this easy way, you can see now it is actually writing this file for you. So if you refresh it inside the usage section, you will actually see total request is made 5 successful. This is actually the cost here. Success rate is 100%. These are the total number of tokens which are there. So it's a really trusted website, guys. As you can see, we have made this Claude Opus request. As you see that it's showing right here, we have made 5 requests. So in this easy way, you can install this extension Roo Code or Clean and simply paste this OpenAI compatible and directly do this. So it's really simple. As you see that we pasted this API key as well. And right here, it is completely free. And if you check total number of remaining quota will directly show here, and from here you can top up as well and make request to any kind of models. So Anthropic compatible. So from here you can even select here Anthropic, and sorry, so this is actually the thing, guys. You can even change the model as well. So it's totally, you can use any other model as well. Apart from that, you can use Grok, GPT. So from here, let's suppose I say I want to use GPT-5. So once again, I simply ask a question: top Node.js frameworks in 2026. I simply ask this question, and now it is now using the GPT-5 model, and we are using this Roo code. It is actually making the request, and then it will return the response to us. So in this easy way, this is the website APIPod. I'm using it for past 2 weeks, and it's a really good website. Definitely check this out. If you want to add some funds from there, you can add that, and you can actually just call multiple APIs. So definitely check this website out. It's a really good website.